So here we are gonna start with the demonstration of our ICU ventilator, model name as T7. So before starting the ventilator, we will look after the connectivity first. So here mains is connected with the 12 volt DC supply. Here battery is connected with 2.5 hours battery backup. So this is the LED indication for main supply and this is for the battery charging. So now we will look after the gas connectivity. So these two inlets are given for the oxygen inlets. This is for the EtCO2 probe connectivity, which is optional. Here flow sensor is connected to measure the flow. This is the main fresh gas intake inspiratory port and this is for the peak pressure monitoring port. So this is how main circuit will get connected. So this is the main circuit connection. Here flow sensor is connected to the patient. This is the exhalation valve. Here peak pressure monitoring tube is connected. Now to start the ventilator, just press this power key once. The ventilator will get on.
An oxygen cylinder.
So this
And
window is
ventilation mode and
indicating
parameters.
to choose the patient type. So here 3 patient types are given: neonate, pediatric and adult. So this is the main screen with the 7-inch touchscreen display. So here I am selecting the adult patient. So this is the main screen. This is a user selectable parameters. This is a measured parameters window and this is a main graphical window where 3 graphs are provided: pressure, flow and volume. Now we will look after the ventilation modes provided in this model. To select the ventilation modes, these are the ventilation modes provided. This is the volume control ventilation modes: IPPV, volume assist control, volume SIMV, pressure control ventilation modes: PCV, P assist control, P SIMV, non-invasive ventilation modes: CPAP, CPAP with pressure support, BiPAP, APRV, advanced ventilation modes: PRVC, PRVC with pressure support, BiPAP with pressure support, APRV with pressure support. These are the R modes in which CPR and RSA is given. CPR is cardiopulmonary resuscitation to give the emergency ventilation to the patient. RSA is rapid sequence airway intubation in which intubation process has been explained. Coming towards this option, this is a monitoring in which these options are given: waveform, cycle graph, parameter, tendency. This option is for the alarm limits, to set the particular alarm limits. To set the particular alarm limits, use this rotary knob to set the parameters, and for confirmation press it once, and to save the changes just use this key. This is the event option which will show the alarm histories which has been already occurred, and this is a hold option for inspiratory and expiratory hold. Coming towards this touchscreen panel, this is the main alarm silence key. This is the user selection parameter window. So this is the user selection parameter window in which overall ventilation parameters are given, provided for the particular selected ventilation modes. So here VSMV is selected. So the overall parameters of VSMV mode has been displayed here. So from here you can alter the parameters, and to save the changes just click this save key.
Super.
This is a CPR option
Choose control mode.
in which the control modes are given. 3 control modes are given: single, double and continuous. In single mode, for the 30 compression, 2 breaths will be provided to the patient. In double, At the 15 compressions, 2 breaths will be provided to the patient, and in continuous mode, for the continuous compressions, continuous breath will be provided to the patient. Coming towards this keys, this is the main menu key in which these options are provided: alarms, system settings, time setting, tendency, maintenance, configuration, and about the software version. This key is used for the locking and unlocking the screen. So now I have selected this key. So now the screen is locked and the indication is been shown here. So to unlock it, just again press it. Now to put the machine in the standby mode, just double click this power key, and to come out from the standby mode, again double click this power key. Now I am putting the machine in the standby mode. So the machine is in standby mode. Now to come out from the standby mode, again double press it. So now the ventilation is started. To switch off the ventilator, long press this power key. So this is all about our T7 ICU ventilator. Thank you.